So the corners of my flower bed is coming apart, the nails. So I used this, one of the ratchets from this set, in order to pull everything together so that I can go ahead and get some screws and make it a little bit tighter. So I found these deck screws that came in the color red that I thought would look great for my little flower bed, and they were really easy to work with. And I was actually surprised that this drill was powerful enough to handle this job with absolutely no problem at all. So I just did the same on the other side as well. Removed the ratchet and placed it on this side as well. And I got all the corners, front and back. And it may not be perfect, but it's gonna buy me some time for sure.